Welcome! Today I'm going to talk you through how to make this beautiful and versatile card. So the supplies that you'll need are a pencil, some cardstock or basic white paper, and some different colored pens. I chose to use teal, silver, and black for this card that I made here. So to start, as always, draw out the design in pencil. I find that's always a great reference point to have. You can always modify it as you go or tweak it slightly as you need to, but this kind of gives you the base for your card. And then I used my teal color pen, which is linked below, to draw in the leftmost branch. Next, I use a black thin pen to trace the outline of the leaf branch, which is kind of the second most from the left, as you can see. Then I went on to the dandelion using my silver pen, as you can see here. The silver pen and these general recollection pens, as they're called, from Michaels are great. I find they're really versatile and really forgiving, and they trace over and cover the pencil marks really well. Next, I filled in the black branch using a slightly thicker black pen. You can really use whatever type of black pen you want, but the one that I used is linked below. I really like the Faber-Castell brand of pens. I find they're great for drawing and are really high quality. And ta-da! Here you are. There's the finished card. You can trace over the teal branch and the black again to really make the color dense if you like that look. Also, what I chose to do is I had some blue rhinestones or gems that I had gotten from Michaels as well, and I added that to a few of the circles on the teal colored branch, and I find that that really adds a little bit of extra sparkle and something a little bit special to a very basic card. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it.